Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's math tutorial, we shall be solving two lovely exponential equations with rational basis. But before we go on, if you are not a subscriber to this channel yet, please kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates from this channel. Now let us get going. We want to solve 9 over 4 to the power of 3 minus x equals to 8 over 27 to the power of 2x minus 1 as the first of the two equations. So first, 9 over 4 can be expressed as 3 over 2 squared. And don't forget the exponent 3 minus x. While on the right hand side, 8 over 27 is expressed as 2 over 3 cubed, whilst not forgetting the exponent 2x minus 1. Recall that when we have a to the power of m, everything to the power of n, according to one of the laws of exponents and powers, it is a to the power of the product mn. This we shall be applying to both sides so that we have 3 over 2 to the power of 6 minus 2x on the left, and on the right it is 2 over 3 to the power of 6x minus 3. Now on the left we've got 3 over 2 as the base, while on the right we've got 2 over 3 as the base. Note that 2 over 3 is the inverse or reciprocal of 3 over 2. That is, 3 over 2 is the same thing as 1 over 2 over 3. So we're going to apply this in order to make the bases equal. We are going to write the left hand side as 1 over 2 over 3, whilst not forgetting 6 minus 2x, its exponent. The right hand side is kept as it is, 2 over 3 to the power of 6x minus 3. Another exponential fact we're going to be using is the negative power principle of exponents and powers, where 1 over a is a to the power of negative 1. So that the left hand side of the equation becomes 2 over 3 to the power of negative 1. Now everything to the power of 6 minus 2x. That's equal to 2 over 3 to the power of 6x minus 3, giving us 2 over 3 to the power of negative 6 plus 2x when we take the product of the exponents, and that's equal to 2 over 3 to the power of 6x minus 3. The bases are now the same, 2 over 3. That means we can equate the exponents, so the bases go out. We therefore have negative 6 plus 2x equals to 6x minus 3. Using the inverse method, simultaneously we are going to be subtracting 2x and adding 3 to both sides. So that the left hand side becomes negative 3 equals to 6x minus 2x is 4x. Then we divide both sides by 4 to get the value of x. X is negative 3 over 4. That is the solution to the exponential equation. Do not stop watching. Ensure you watch to the end as we move on to the second equation. Here in the second equation, we have 0.0625 to the power of 3x minus 7. First, the decimal is written as a fraction, which is 625 over 10,000, and that to the power of 3x minus 7. On the right hand side, we have 1 over 4 to the power of 1 minus x times 4 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 2x. 625 over 10,000 is 1 over 16 in its lowest term, while on the right we have 1 over 4 to the power of 1 minus x times 4 to the power of negative 1 is also written as 1 over 4, and that's to the power of 2x. Recall that from the laws of exponents and powers, when we have a to the power of m multiplying a, which is the same base, to the power of n, it is a to the power of the sum of the exponents m plus n. This we apply to the right hand side to have 1 over 4 to the power of 1 minus x plus 2x. While on the left hand side, 1 over 16 is 1 over 4 squared, and that's to the power of 3x minus 7. So that the equation becomes 1 over 4 to the power of 6x minus 14 when 2 is distributed to 3x minus 7. And on the right hand side, we have 1 over 4 to the power of 1 plus x. Now that the bases are equal, we equate the exponents, giving us 6x minus 14 to be equal to 1 plus x. Again, by the inverse method approach, we subtract x from both sides while we add 14 to both sides. So that on the left hand side we are left with 5x, and on the right hand side we have 15. We then divide both sides by 5, which means that the solution to the exponential equation is x equals to 3. I believe you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do so and click on the notification bell so that you get updated from time to time from this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we expect you to watch more of our videos.